Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a travel animation video. Okay, so I have made a video animation travel animation video. First I will show you that, then I will show you how to make it. Okay, this is the animation video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make it. So first you have to go to canva.com. Okay, canva.com, then you will see this option, video option. Okay, now you have to click on it and you will see like this options. Okay, now you have to download image. Okay, so if I as I want to download as I want to make it for a Miami beach, so you can download any beach image. Okay, then you can upload it here. After that, just select it and here you will see three dots, click on it and here you will see set item as a background. Okay, now what you have to do now, here you have to just write, okay, add a text, okay, to the city of where you are going. Okay, city name, so I want to just make it Mia. Okay, now make it all capital. Now you can like this. Now I'm going to change the color to white, select it and change it to white. Okay, you can also select whichever color you prefer, you can select that color. Okay, now I'm going to change the font. Okay, so this is the font I want. Okay, now I have to just text size. Okay, I have to just lower the text size like this and then make it bigger. Okay, now you have to go into effect and here you have to select shadow. Okay, now change the shadow color. You can just click on it and now select according to this. Okay, so this is the shadow color and then you can also change the direction of shadow. Okay, you can offset it, transparency. Okay, like this you can make it. If you want to blur it, you can blur it. Okay, so you can change all these things and then you have to download it. Okay, just click on this share button and click on download and download as a png. Okay, now click on download. Animations. Okay, click on save. Now after downloading that, now I'm going to delete this one. You have to delete this one and now you have to upload which you have downloaded recently. Okay, upload it, that png file here and then choose it again, and now you have to click on three dots and click on set and as a background image. Okay, now go to elements here, now search for real plane and now just click on it and rotate it and make it larger. Okay, like this at the middle of the image. Okay, now again go to elements and here you will see shapes. Just click on shapes, change the color according to your wish. Okay, so I'm going to change it to this, and now like this. Now take it to here, and again go to elements, select again shape, take it here, change the color, now click on it again, duplicates, now take it here and change the. Now what you have to do, just click on the plane and three dot, and in the layer click on bring to front. Okay, now select all. Now what you have to do, just select all these things and click on group and go to the backward. Okay, like this. Now ungroup, select anywhere else and now do this, do like this. Okay, now again select, now again make it a group. Okay, now move it like that, that plane should go invisible. Okay, like this. Now just click on it and duplicate page. Okay, now what you have to do, now here you can add text. Okay, so I'm going to add text here like travel. Okay, now change the font, type fee, feeling passionate. Okay, like this, and now change the color, select all, change the color. Okay, now click on it again, and now here show timeline, and like this to 3 to 4 seconds, and now go to animate, and here just search on, just select baseline. Okay, now again here add a text again and 2. Okay, now make it bigger again, change the font. Okay, change the font from here, change the color also, and animate to baseline. Now select it, click on 3 dots, show timing. Now make it to 2.5 seconds. Okay, now you will see like this. Okay, Now just click on in the middle, okay, middle of these photos, and click on add transition, and here you have to just click on match and move, take it to 2.5 second, and now select second one. Now what you have to do, okay, drag it to the end, okay, like this. Now again I'm going to play this. So like this you can make a travel animation. So if you like this video, please like the video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.